Most people look for the perfect property, the turnkey home, the beautifully staged investment, the one that needs nothing. But here's a surprising truth about real estate. The greatest value isn't found in what's already perfect. It's found in what has the potential to become perfect. That's the counterintuitive idea that separates strategic buyers and investors from the crowd. And it's how real, lasting wealth is built in property. The problem is that most buyers are often driven by emotion. We see a property with outdated decor, an overgrown garden, or a less than ideal paint color, and we immediately dismiss it. We're looking for instant gratification, for something move-in ready, and we often let superficial flaws overshadow fundamental strength. First-time homebuyers in particular often fear the unknown of renovation, overlooking properties that could offer significant equity from day one. Property investors, too, sometimes fall into the trap of overpaying for easy assets, missing the opportunity to create value where others see only problems. This narrow focus means we walk past properties that could be incredible wealth builders, all because we can't see past the surface. This brings us to the deep insight experienced buyers and investors possess. They train their eyes to see potential, not just trouble. They understand that true value in real estate is often disguised as inconvenience, cosmetic imperfection, or a lack of imagination. The underlying principle is to identify factors that, once addressed, will significantly increase a property's market appeal and intrinsic worth far beyond the cost of improvement. It's about understanding the delta, the difference between the property's current undervalued state and its maximum potential value. While others are scared of a dated kitchen or a strange layout, the savvy investor sees a clear path to forced appreciation and increased equity. They focus on the good bones, the strong location fundamentals, the underutilized space, or the potential for a zoning change. They see the asset, not just its current presentation. To make this actionable, we use a simple, structured framework. Identify, quantify, and catalyze. First, identifying what specific elements are currently undervalued or underperforming. Is it an outdated kitchen, inefficient layout, poor curb appeal, or even mismanaged rents if it's an investment property? Focus on things that deter most buyers, but are relatively easy to fix or improve. Second, I quantify the cost and potential value. How much would it truly cost to address these issues? And what would be the guesstimated increase in value? Research market comparables for renovated versus unrenovated homes in the same area. P. This step is critical for understanding your return on investment. Finally, catalyzing the value. What's the specific action plan to unlock this value? This could be a kitchen remodel, reconfiguring a layout, professional landscaping, minor repairs, or even something as simple as a fresh coat of paint and professional staging. The goal is to focus on improvements with the highest return, transforming the property from an ugly duckling into a beautiful swan. Let's look at a realistic example. Imagine a young couple, first-time home buyers, searching for a home in a desirable school district. Everything move-in ready is simply out of their budget. They come across a listing for a house significantly below market average. It has a solid foundation, a good roof, and a prime location, but the interior is straight out of the 1980s. A dark kitchen, dated bathrooms, and a neglected backyard. Most buyers would pass it by. However, applying the identify, quantify, catalyze method, they realize the kitchen and bathroom updates are largely cosmetic. A wall could be opened to create an open-plan living space. A fresh coat of paint and some landscaping would dramatically improve curb appeal. They get contractor quotes, analyze comparable sales of recently updated homes, and realize the total renovation cost is manageable. Once completed, the property's value would jump, providing them with instant equity. They don't just buy a house. They buy a project with a clear path to substantial built-in equity. making it an incredible first home and a strong foundation for future wealth. Finding hidden value isn't just about getting a good deal today. It's about setting a powerful foundation for long-term wealth. When you strategically find and unlock value, you're initiating forced appreciation, creating equity immediately through smart improvements. This equity then compounds over time as the overall market appreciates from your property's new higher baseline. For investors, this translates directly into higher rental income and stronger cash flow. It's also a powerful form of leverage, allowing you to maximize returns on your invested capital. The equity generated can then be refinanced or sold to fund future investments, building your portfolio one smart property at a time. This approach isn't about speculating on market trends. It's about actively creating value, giving you greater control over your financial destiny. The ability to find and unlock hidden value is a strategic superpower in real estate. It separates proactive wealth builders from passive participants who simply react to the market. Stop just looking at properties and start analyzing them. Understand what truly adds lasting value versus what's merely cosmetic. Look beyond the surface, beyond the staging, and see the raw potential of the asset. Train your eye to spot the diamonds in the rough, the properties that others overlook. Your next great property decision won't be about finding the perfect home, but about finding the home with the perfect potential.